Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a black raspberry vanilla soap. I think everybody has this type of soap because it's something that everybody likes really. I have my black raspberries here. This is a melt and pour embed, just done with a regular raspberry or blackberry mold. And then here are the colorants and the fragrance, black raspberry vanilla. This one is from Scent Perfect because I'm here in Europe. There are many soap fragrance suppliers that are making their own version of it. It really depends on your own preference. For color, I'm gonna use a pigment. This is Electric Bubblegum from Brambleberry, and this one needs pre-mixing in some lightweight oil. So I'm just gonna prepare this beforehand. I'm gonna add it in here and then mix it. And in case it is too pink, I have some titanium dioxide here ready to go. Since I'm trying to pipe some leaves around the blackberries, I do have this kind of green here. It's also a pigment, hydrated chrome, that I'm gonna pre-mix with the lightweight oil. I won't need much here because the piping is such a small amount. But this is nice because it's a deep and rich green. And like I said, if I think it is too deep, then I can still tone it down with a little bit of titanium dioxide. For piping the bag, I just have a very small one here and leaf tip. Just gonna twist it and then here. So once the soap is at consistency to be transferred into the piping bag, I can just comfortably fill the bag. So the lye water solution and the oils are at about the same temperature, so I'm just gonna add the lye water to the oils and then stick blend to emulsion. I'm gonna split off a very small portion for the piping here, side here, and then we're gonna color this part here with some pink. I'm starting with a little bit because I can always add more, but I can never take it back. Gonna need more. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of titanium dioxide, so it's a really nice blush pink. Very nice. Okay, so this is exactly the color I was going for. I'm gonna add the entire fragrance oil into this part here. I'm not gonna put it into the piping because you won't even notice it. And I'm just gonna stick blend it very well with a spatula, making sure that everything is nicely incorporated. I'm gonna pour this portion here into the mold. And then shake it down a bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter, some biodegradable glitter here on top of the soap for a little bit of fun. And then I'm gonna give it a spritz with rubbing alcohol to seal the glitter in. And then move this one here to the side so we can go ahead and prepare the piping. Okay, let's see for this green color here. I'm gonna add a tiny bit. Add a little more here. The color is fine, but as you can see, it's not ready to be piped yet. So I'm just gonna leave it on the side for a moment until it reaches piping consistency. So the piping looks like this. Can you see? It's quite thick. That means I can now transfer it into the piping bag. And then I have these little markings on the mold here that marks where the soap is gonna be cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see how this looks. By piping a leaf. I don't wanna go crazy, too crazy, you know, just a leaf here like this next to the berry in the middle of the soap. And then if I add the berry here, let's see how this looks. It's cute actually. So I think I'm gonna make 2 leaves like this. I think it does look cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some more glitter to the top. And then add some rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash on the soap top. And then we're gonna come back tomorrow for the cut. It's the next day and this is how the soap looks. The color hasn't changed much. I absolutely love the color combo and how it turned out. So now let's see if the soap is ready to be taken out of the mold. Soap releases very easily from the silicone mold. And here we go. Super cute. What do you think? I'm also gonna go ahead and immediately stamp these. I like glue after the first portion is cut, just to clean the wires here, the strings. These are guitar strings, by the way, so that the soap doesn't get dragged through the new soap. And then I'm just gonna see if the spaces are okay for this one. I think we are kind of good. And then this here can be a sample size to see how the stamping is going to turn out. For the stamping, I have my acrylic stamp. Just going to give it a spritz with rubbing alcohol to make the release easier. I just place it where I want it to be, and then I just give it a light tap. And if I'm happy with the impression, I'm just going to go ahead and stamp them all. So these are now going to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in other videos around soap making, feel free to check out the playlist here on the screen, where you will find many more. I see you in the next video, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.